Smart manufacturing is advancing at a rapid pace. Demand for digitally skilled, practice-oriented, multidisciplinary talent is rising. The Shenzhen Polytechnic 3D Printing Public Service Center is an integrated innovation platform for intelligent manufacturing, combining teaching, research, and industrial practice. Here, technology extends beyond the lab into real-world industry, aligning talent capabilities with evolving industry needs.
Hello everyone, I am Cheng Sha. In recent years, smart manufacturing has been shifting from making things to seeing them, undergoing an intelligent and digital transformation. What you are seeing is an application unit derived from our core inspection system for aerospace components, adapted for inspecting additive manufacturing parts.
Shenzhen Polytechnic University's self-developed automation control system, paired with Scanology's KSCAN Series 3D scanner, quickly scans products, generates real-time results and reports, and enables fully visualized, automated quality inspection with automatic archiving.
During system development, Scanology's KSCAN and SIMSCAN series provide strong support for acquiring component data in early design and enabling quality control. During development, we often encounter various fixtures used for design and component applications. When dealing with complex curved surfaces or large-scale structures, traditional measurement methods cannot capture data. In such cases, Scanology's 3D scanning solutions solve the problem. Its two key advantages are high data accuracy and fast scanning speed.
Beyond automated quality inspection, Scanology's scanners also supported the 3D Printing Public Service Center in delivering numerous enterprise projects.
Previously, we used reverse engineering and 3D printing to serve a listed food company, replacing real food with 3D printed models as standard samples, enabling anti-corrosion and standardization of production line reference samples. We use Scanology's scanners to capture patient body data and customize rehabilitation orthoses for hospitals, including scoliosis, braces, and wrist supports. By customizing high-precision, personalized, and lightweight orthoses, patients experience improved comfort and a better anatomical fit. In long-term university-industry collaboration, our R&D team and students agree that Scanology's scanners feature an intuitive interface, are easy to learn and use, and allow quick onboarding.
Scanology's high-precision 3D scanning technology not only supports continuous innovation in university research and teaching, but also shows how digital measurement is reshaping the future of manufacturing.
Here, we sincerely wish Scanology to continue advancing in 3D vision digitization, striving for excellence and empowering more smart manufacturing scenarios. In the future, our 3D Printing Public Service Center will continue to deepen cooperation with high-tech brands like Scanology, advancing industry education integration and fostering high-quality, skilled talent.